Yo, what's going on? This is your boy New Lion back at it with another video. And today, man, we back at it with Resident Evil Village Part 5, I believe. Yeah. Dang, we already that far up, huh? Yeah, so let's go ahead and get it. We just left the castle. And I just remembered too, as soon as I got that iron key. Also focus on trying to get to the end. I forgot that excuse me. I forgot that I was supposed to go back to that room when we ran into the first daughter. So yeah, I missed out on some loot. I don't think we ever go back into the castle after this point. So yeah, your boy slipped up. Oh, here goes some fish. Oh yeah, we gotta get them. Okay, we got some fish.
Hear our voice together as one in reverence. We call on thee within the endless dark to deliver us into fate's hands. As the midnight moon rises on black wings, so we make the sacrifice and await. As the midnight moon rises on black wings, we await the light at the end. In life and in death, glory to Mother Miranda.
Hey, remember me? I almost died up at that castle. Tell me, what is going on around here?
How can a man be almost dead? That's a question for the wise.
You know what I mean. And I still haven't found Rose. Where did Mother Miranda take her?
You're too late! Or maybe almost too late. The child will be sacrificed, life for life.
What kind of sick medieval shit is this? She's just a baby.
The crests of the four bloodlines may open the path you seek.
Will you please stop talking in riddles? I just want to find my daughter.
Pay attention to the riddle shit. You telling us?
It's only a riddle if you don't know the answer.
Wait a second. That looks familiar. Hey, wait!
About it, we got. She locks the door. Man, it's crazy that how she's moving right now. That old lady. And just how the story plays out. So, just putting that out there. Just crazy, that's all.
Is this?
Ceremony site. Ooh. See the umbrella symbol? Yup. Be Resident Evil if they ain't evolved. Some shape or form. Damn, it be sounding like they're just right there. I know there's a guy out there. Wait for this dude to walk back around. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm hit. Got shotgun shells for days. Let's, okay. Oh my gosh, I missed. Keep your head still, dude. Alright, he ate that. Alright, come on, let's deal with him. We need a crane for this. Let's go left. Keep your guard up. Line them up, put them down. We need a certain key for that. I thought there was way more enemies.
There you are. I had a feeling you would pop up here.
It was all worthless.
Is that so? I assume you've picked up something of value.
Not sure if it's of value, but...
Why, you have your daughter right in your own hands.
What are you saying?
Take a closer look. That flask seems to contain her head.
Ain't no way. I'll flip out. No. When I'm having a baby girl too.
What?
I'll flip out.
Roses.
Don't say another word!
Yeah, split my baby up into damn containers.
This is impossible! This just can't be!
Your daughter's essence is still intact. Her powers are truly unique.
Who could even do this?
She can be saved, you know.
Saved? From this? Are you insane?
There's a house with a red chimney on the western side of the village. Go and seek out the man who lives there. Then we can continue our conversation.
Quit holding out and get to the damn point.
You don't have to trust my words. But do you have any better options?
God, man, that dude is like terribly obese.
Your choice. The customer is always right. After all.
You'll pay if I find out this is a lie. Fucking joker.
You about to buy some stuff from him. So you better get your shit together. We'll work with Big Guy. Okay.
What the hell?
Wow. So she came and scooped her up after the accident. So she was with us then. She was with us.
Then any good day then.
Okay, we pretty much said this thing here. Okay. Let's go this way. It's that red door. back, and that door over there shut earlier. It's open now. So got a lockpick in there. Got a lockpick in here. Let's do this one. Incomplete chalice. Just sounds like somebody is around. Oh gosh. Keep your hands up. Teddy bear. Shoot the door. Some more dead people. Back up that way. Fish in the water, yes sir. We got enough ingredients to give the Duke. Make us a dish. Shit, here we go. We're going melee. Oh my god. Okay, 4 swipes. 4 swipes. There we go. I need to come this way. I'll let the house and stop burning. Put some dudes. And here, close. No, thank you. Save ammo. Door shut. Oh my gosh. That is not it. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we gotta come back to that. There's some shit in here. It look like there's some shit in there. Oh, there's especially some shit in there. Run, 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 run. Oh my gosh. And keep your gun up. Keep your gun up. Keep gun up. Watch, bro. Watch, bro. I can feel it. I just feel it. Uh-huh. Boy, cuz tried it. Oh my gosh. Said, look out the window. That's Heisenberg. See, look, I know it, I know it. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, I ducked. I ducked. I don't know why he ducked. See, I knew it was Heisenberg. Okay, 04. Okay, 070408. Okay, there we go. What we got in here? Jack handle. We don't need this. It's weaker than our gun, ain't it? We're gonna move this over here for right now. We might sell that. Okay, I'm still waiting on it. Back up. Shotgun. Oh, okay, I finished reloading. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yep. Run up, get done up. Okay, let's check over here. Hands up, hands up. Okay. Boy, they would. They would. Hands up. Somebody up there. Go left. We ain't wasting no time. Yeah, this house got a. Only got a. It's a pig right there. Cool pig. Cool. Pop. We need that meat. We need the meat. I don't know why I feel so intense. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on, bring it on. I'll fight you both. Come on. Oh. He dropped. We ain't playing with y'all. some more. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know about this spot right here. I don't think I do. Oh, this is locked on the other side. Okay. He dead up there. Okay, cool. Oh shit. Bring that magnum out. Oh, stop. Stop charging up, bro. Uh-huh. You got one more? You got one more time. Are you done? Oh shit, he's cool. Okay, we're coming up, we're coming up. Yeah. 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 Go up in here. Keep your hands up. Says to whom it may concern due to the Luthier's long absence, I am keeping hold of his house key. Please find me if you need it. Regards, Joseph Simeon. Okay. So I can't get in here right now. Resident Evil know what to do. This is a mix of action and still scare. Cause look how, like, look, if I back up, you see how it's dark from a distance, and then you got the random sounds going on while it's silent. It's like y'all still just keeping the atmosphere just tense, bro. I don't know what the hell I might run into. Look, I don't know what I'm coming into. See? Got a rose body. That's why I'm just putting my arms up. I'll put my arms up, I'll be good. I feel a little bit more safer just running in there. Be like, alright, whatever run into me, they gonna run into my guard. Okay, nothing in there. Okay, so before I go in there, I just got a lockpick. So, yeah, let me go back here to the beginning house. Okay, we're gonna go in here, hands up. Hands up, check perimeter. Okay, cool. Okay. Ooh, we need that. Okay. Yeah, I think the door is blocked, yeah. This is where the door was. Oh, we got some areas to go back to. That's just what that proved. Got a lockpick. Now with that lockpick, I'm gonna go and hit We're gonna hit this house. We're gonna hit this house with the lockpick. Okay, there's one down. One more to go. So let's go back. Bring y'all this. Bring y'all entertainment, schoolwork, other endeavors. I'm a very busy dude, so just for the simple fact I've been dropping the content the way I have been, it says a lot. So y'all supporting the channel, just watching, giving me at least a good 2 or 3 minutes of your time. That's much appreciated. That's my chicken. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, we got some items. Okay, there's something in here. Oh, okay. That's the cut through there. Unlock that. There's nothing up here. Let's climb the ladder. This is the red chimney. Oh shit. Damn it. Yes. Damn. That light shouldn't be hitting the wall like that. The wing key is just a single piece. 3 more parts are needed to make it whole. Oh. Combine with the wing key.
Damn it. Better see the Duke again.
Well, number 2. Got wooden animal head. I know what to do with that in a second. Well, number 3. Necklace with 2 holes. Let's go to the chicken. Okay, cool. Okay, we got our chicken. Oh shit. Hands up, hands up. Oh, I can't see it. Oh, get back. I didn't even know that was in the grass. Eat the shotgun. Snap, I haven't went this way. Where are they coming? Oh, run, run, run. That was not cool. That was not a cool little encounter. You know you could come over here on this side. I don't think you can access that little building though. Hmm. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. We got some stuff to look at. Yeah, myself. Pig. Come on. Getting some stuff, guys. This is the last well. There's 3 pipe bombs. Okay, let's get in here. I'll pick that. There's some items we need to look at. This that. Lisa's key. They said it was green, like something. Okay, so that's what I was saying with the items. You can combine them if you get the parts together. It increases the value. So it's in this house right.
How was it? Did you learn anything?
I found these feathers. Now tell me how to fix this like you said you would.
Settle down. First, you must use that key and collect all of your little Rose's flasks.
Where are the rest of them?
There are 4 in total. You have the 1, and the other lords have the rest.
Lords?
Mother Miranda is the cold, calculating ruler of this village. 4 lords serve under her. The first you've already met, the Lady Dimitrescu. The second lives deep in a valley of mist, the doll-maker, Donna Beneviento.
So next one.
None of her playmates have ever come back from that dank old estate. The third is Moreau, a being of twisted flesh that lives in the reservoir past the windmills. It is said that he is not the only monster that lives in those waters. The fourth and most dangerous is Heisenberg. He works in his factory on the village outskirts. And the project, let's just say parts of the human imagination are better left alone. If you truly wish to save your daughter, you must first gather the 4 flasks. I'll do you a personal favor. I've marked the Lord's locations on your map. Some treasures still lurk in this village. I'm sure each one will prove of great use to you.
Why are you doing all this?
Why, it's all part of our first-class customer service. Please do come again soon.
Yeah, all this gonna link together once we get the full story. And we get into Rose's segment. Biohazard's key. Yeah, I don't think I could get this till later, but it's all good if I can get it sooner.
Till next we meet.
Okay, so let me save. Let's get to the dollhouse. Hold on. Can I go this way? Oh, I got something in the middle. I don't have something in the middle, right? Yeah, I think the item one we just got. Yeah, I don't have nothing in the middle. I need something in the middle. Like that fetus looking thing. So I could go this way. Yeah, we ready. Creepy ass dolls. There's something hanging. Oh, it's like a bird cage. It's somewhere though. I thought there's one hanging. I don't see it right now. Here stuff.
Ethan.
What?
Ethan, come with me. There's something I have to tell you.
Mia? What's going on?
Put your blade up. Don't put your blade up. Cause you see me up. Somebody standing right there. Can't go that way.
Rose feels different. Ethan, you have to fix her.
What
Why
the
is
hell
she?
is this?
He keep putting this damn weapon up.
Everyone leaves me. Even Rose. I don't want to be alone.
This can't be real.
My games is getting played on us, guys. Hmm. 1987, 1996. That's a short time to live, ain't it?
Am I losing it?
I think I did the right move.
What's going on?
Yeah, it says give up your memories. Yeah. Yeah, I did the right move. Face this way. Here we go. Come with me, people. Here we go. They had to deal with the puppeteer next, huh? Oh yeah, nothing. Be on guard. Nothing there. Go that way. Check upstairs. Weird. Weird dog. Damn. What this is? Plant. I know y'all like, man, why you keep on throwing up the gun every time we go through a door, man? That's how slimy this game can be. Going around the corner. The enemy right there. Got in these drawers. Throw off on both sides. Why it look like it's freshly bleeding? Books. Book about plants. Check on that. Room's locked. Okay, go to save. Crazy doll sitting in the seat. Okay, a door. Oh boy. I see a body. Open up that door.
I've been waiting for so long. I'd make a much better daughter than Rose. Please, won't you stay with me forever?
What? Wait, where's my gun?
Oh, we almost got a face shot. Oh boy. Alright, let's save. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the gameplay here. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video. Write down in the comments, let me know what y'all think of the content thus far. Man, yeah, this is when scary parts come. If you haven't got scared yet, you will be in the next video. I'm gonna say that. I ain't gonna spoil too much, but if I can remember, then this is when it gets busy. Cause as you can see, I ain't got no weapons, nothing. I'm cleared out of items, key items. I ain't got nothing. I can craft. I can't even craft nothing yet. So yeah. Till then, guys. Until next time.